After being cheated on, a part of you feels shattered. It's not just about someone breaking a promise, it's about breaking the foundation you thought was unshakable. The person you trusted with your heart suddenly becomes a stranger. And every memory you shared now feels tainted. It's not just pain, it's disgust, disappointment, a deep sense of betrayal that hits you in the waves. They might say, I said I'm sorry, as if an apology could erase the nights you stayed up wondering what you did wrong, or the mental images you can't stop replaying. But forgiveness isn't something that can be demanded or rushed. You can't force someone who's been betrayed to instantly accept, forgive, and move on. That's not how healing works. When trust is broken, you no longer feel safe in the relationship. You start seeing flashbacks, moments you didn't understand before now make painful sense. You become hyper aware, constantly second guessing words, as actions and even silences. Paranoia sleeps in, not because you want it, because your instincts are now on high alert. Rebuilding trust is not a quick process. It's not about grand gestures or pretty words. It's about consistency, transparency, and honesty over time. Every action matters. Every day is either a step forward or a step backward. And no, the trust you once had will never return in the exact same way. It will be different, rebuilt from scratch, brick by brick. Healing takes patience. It takes space. It takes the betrayed person feeling safe again, and that safety can only be restored through proof, not promises. So if you've betrayed someone, understand this. You can't rush their healing. You can't demand their forgiveness. The only thing you can do is show up every day with actions that speak louder than your words, and hope that in time the pieces of trust can be carefully put back together. As the Bible says, the Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Psalms 34 verse 18. Healing after betrayal may feel impossible, but with time, truth, and God's grace, even the deepest wounds can begin to mend.